What's up guys, Matt here, out here at the river project for the second day. I told y'all in the last video, which I will link up top so you can go watch it first if you'd like, that I was gonna have to bring my buddy's excavator out here to locate this septic system because we were not able to locate it with the ground probe. It was just too hard and weren't sure of the location. So we've got more information now from residents in the neighborhood and the local building authorities. And let me flip this around and show you what we're about to do. So first we're gonna go over here where I marked and dig down and see what it is. Right there beneath where my buddy Dylan's digging is where I put the probe down in the ground, and I believe I found a footer about 3 to 4 foot deep. So we're gonna dig down there right now and see if we can locate that and identify what it is. Could be the edge of the septic tank. We just hit something down in here. Not sure if this could be part of the wall that was here, or this could be part of the septic tank that got busted up. It may not be intact, so we're gonna do a little bit more digging and see what we find. So right here, we found a giant piece of concrete. Not sure if it's part of a wall or the septic. We're down about 2.5, 3 foot right here, and I believe, unfortunately, this is the septic tank, and we're gonna go ahead and dig it all out and kind of inspect it and confirm that it's the septic system, just so we'll know what to take our next steps, getting the septic permit, getting an all new system in here. We were hoping that there was an existing septic system in here. We could uncover it a little bit, get our certificate to have it inspected and looked at, and then we could use this same septic system for the new house and save the homeowner a bunch of money. Dylan's standing right here digging around this. We have found the lid to the septic. Check this out, guys. Right here's the you probably can't see it in the camera, but there's a little piece of rebar. That's the part of the top of the lid, like the handle where they can lower it down in there with the machine, excavator, or the machine that they use at the septic factory or whatever. So he's just kind of digging around it, confirming what that is, and I guess we're just gonna dig around this and pull her out of the ground. But keep on thinking I'm hearing the dump truck up here. Let's go up here and see if our gravel's here. All right, guys, you're looking at the septic tank. That's the lid. Is that the lid? We have confirmed that this is definitely the septic tank. Next, we're gonna go up here and probably dig a little trench just to see if there's any construction debris in this basement area of the old house, just to see what we're working with. And then lastly, we'll probably go up here in the front. They did run the water line up. We found a trench. We'll find the end of that water line so we can stub up, have our temporary water for the block layers and whatnot. So First though, we're gonna fill this in. Peace. We're gonna dig another test hole right here, as you see with this excavator, and we're looking for just some gravel or debris or footer, just kind of testing out the site like I was telling you earlier, to see what we're gonna be getting into when we start digging this basement. We were told that the old house structure was pushed over and graded in this area, but we haven't found anything yet but the septic tank, which we showed you earlier in the video. Dylan's already dug down about 2.5, 3 foot here. We haven't found anything, so we're gonna keep digging just a little bit lower, see if we can find maybe an old gravel footer for the superior walls, or maybe a concrete footer for a block wall, or whatever we may find. French drain, possibly, who knows. We've hit something down here. It could be a concrete block. We're not sure here. Let's see. Yeah, looks like just a little bit of block rubble, so it really wasn't anything. Down in the bottom of this hole on the side, looks like we found some gravel, which could be from the superior walls if this was a basement. What's weird is we haven't found a concrete slab for the basement yet. Maybe they didn't have it poured. We really don't know, but we're just gonna dig a little bit more here and see if we can find anything. We haven't found any wood debris from the house at all, so hopefully we're not gonna find a bunch of stuff in here that we have to end up paying to haul off. All right, we're gonna cover this hole back up. We haven't found anything alarming. Found a little bit of tar pieces over here that look like waterproofing, possibly, and found some gravel, but we haven't found any construction lumber, no concrete slab from the basement, no footers, which there probably wouldn't be footers because, like I said, it's a superior engineered concrete wall which sets on a gravel footer. So hopefully it's not gonna find a bunch of construction debris in here that's gonna cost a bunch of money to dig out. So next, I believe we'll maybe move over here and tear this little concrete pad out on the side, or we're gonna run up here and dig a little trench and find this water line. I thought there was a concrete pad here, which could have been for this old metal building, but it's not a concrete pad. It was a garage footer for the existing house. It comes right along here, and then you've got your bulkhead, and it steps down to a footer right here. And then I had Dylan dig right here, and we found the end of it here. So there's no need in us pulling this up. This is gonna be like a driveway area with a concrete pad over it. So now let's move up here to the front of the lot, and we're gonna locate the water line like I've been talking about. Oh, here we go, here we go. All right, so right here's a 3/4 inch PEX water line. What are you laughing up there for? Did you see that old soft hands up there dug that thing up and didn't even bust it? So anyway, there we go. We found the water line. Hopefully it ain't going to the neighbor's house. Which if it is, it's on our lot anyway. So Dylan just covered the hole back up with the water, and we did not walk it in and pack it. We marked it with this stake, and I can just dig down with a shovel, bring a little bit of PEX and my connector over here so that we can actually put a faucet right there like we were talking about for the bricklayers and such. All right guys, we did what we came here to do today. Found the septic, found the footer in the garage, made sure there wasn't any debris, dug up the water line. That's all I've got for you today. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching my videos. If you like what you see, don't forget to go down there, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see y'all in the next video.